Okay, so for solving two-step equations, my suggestion for you for today is possibly at the equal sign to put a little squiggly line. It just helps students see the two different sides. Next, what I've been telling students to do is find the variable and just cover it up with their finger, all right? Then we want to get rid of whatever is still there on the same side as the variable. So right now this is a 1. The opposite of 1 is a minus 1. Minus 1, cancel. Now you're going to want to rewrite everything you still have. So you have a negative 7 minus 1, which is a negative 8, equals, and we still have the 2/3 n. Who can remind us, how do we get rid of 2/3 times n? We really need to divide, which is the same as what?
Multiplying.
By its
Flip.
By its flip. So we're going to go ahead over here and multiply by 3 over 2. Multiply by 3 over 2. These will cancel. So you're going to be left with an n and equals. Now I'm going to put an 8 over the 1. I'm going to cross simplify whenever possible. So really I'm left with this. 3 over 1 times negative 4 over 1. What's 3 times a negative 4?
Would be negative 12.
Yeah. So this is negative 12. So your final answer is negative 12 equals n. All right. The next problem, this girl wants to buy some CDs, meaning we don't know how many, but they each cost $14. So we know we're going to have 14 times the number of CDs. So if she buys one CD, how much is she going to spend? Yeah.
$14.
If she buys 2 CDs, how much is she going to spend?
28.
Yeah, so basically you're just plugging in the number of CDs into C. We also know that she is going to buy a DVD that costs $23. This is what we call our constant, meaning it's not going to change at all. She's only going to buy one, so the price is just going to be $23. This whole thing needs to equal, though, the $65 that she has. That's how much she ends up spending. By solving this, you will end up finding how many CDs she actually buys. So this would be one point. The next point again, maybe put a squiggly line. Maybe go ahead and, with your finger, cover up your variable. We are going to subtract 23 from both sides. We're left with a 14c equals 42. Then we're going to divide by 14, divide by 14, cancel, and c equals, what is 42 divided by 14? 3. And what is this that we found? 3 what?
CDs.
Yeah, so she bought 3 CDs. That's what she was able to buy with her $65.